Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, so the next example it's related to now object is thrown up with velocity u from the ground. Now they are asking us draw velocity versus time graph. This is what they are asking. Now first to draw velocity versus time graph for a particular graph, what is the equation? Use v is equivalent to u plus at. Of course v is equivalent to u minus gt, right? Now velocity versus time, it is of the form y is equivalent to minus mx plus c, isn't it? Now time is on x-axis, velocity is on y-axis, and the graph is of the form y is equivalent to minus mx plus c. And how do you get this? This is a time and this is a velocity and this is a time. Now minus mx plus c. It is having a positive y-intercept and a negative slope. Of course, without a basic idea about the graph, graphical analysis like slope of the graph, linear equations like y is equal to mx plus c, mx minus c. These graphs, idea we should have. Anyway, the complete information about the graphs is our in other lectures like graphical analysis. Now how do you draw this? If you don't know this one, yeah, so we can even give, how can we give? At a t equivalent to 0, it is having the velocity 40. We have seen if it is a 40 meters per second, at a t equivalent to 0, 40, this is 40, 30, 20, 10, yeah, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, isn't it? At t equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you extend this 5, 6, 7, 8, now observe carefully. At t equivalent to 0, 40 from this. At t equivalent to 1, 30, at t equivalent to 2, 20, at t equivalent to 3, 10, at t equivalent to 4, 0, right? Yeah. Now at t equivalent to 5, it's a minus 10. At t equivalent to 6, it is a minus 20. At t equivalent to 7, it is minus 30. At t equivalent to 8, it is a minus 40. So when you join this, almost all it is a straight line. Yeah, it is a straight line. Now, if you observe, this is theta greater than 90 regarding the slope of this graph. So, theta greater than 90, slope we call it as tan theta, and theta greater than 90 means this slope is negative, right? Of course, minus same, negative slope. And this negative slope of VT graph gives, we all know, what is the slope of VT graph gives? It's a acceleration. So it is having negative acceleration. That is nothing but we know clearly acceleration due to gravity is downward, initial velocity is upward. So we have to take sign convention as negative, and that is what the graphical information. Yeah. Then next example. Now, once the object is thrown up with 40 meters per second. So for a complete idea about the behavior of the motion of the body, behavior of the motion of the body. So I keep taking 40 only always, because so our analysis becomes easier and we can remember it for more time, right? Yeah. Now, yeah.